Good morning, students. Our today's topic is pH and role of pH in everyday life. Student, we have learned in our previous classes about dilution and decreases in concentration of H plus or OH minus ions in solution. Now the question is, can we exactly find the amount of these ions present in a solution? Or can we judge how strong a given acid or base is? The answer is yes. We can do this by making use of a universal indicator, which is a mixture of several indicators. The universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in a solution. Student, a scale for measuring hydrogen ion concentration in a solution called pH scale. Here P stands for power, means we can measure the power of hydrogen ion in solution with the help of pH scale. On the pH scale, we can measure pH generally from 0 to 14. And pH should be thought of simply as a number which indicates the acidic or basic nature of a solution. Means higher the hydronium ion concentration, lower is the pH value. Student, the pH of a neutral solution is 7. Values less than 7 on the pH scale represent an acidic solution. As the pH value increases from 7 to 14, it represents an increase in OH minus ion concentration, that is increase in the strength of alkali. Here we have some example of solution. So the pH of pure water is 7, so it is totally neutral. The hydrogen ion concentration would be same as in water if pH is 7 and the solution would be neutral. So now we know that if the pH is less than 7, then the solution is acidic, and if the value of pH is more than 7, then the solution is alkaline or basic. Now the next topic is role of pH or importance of pH in our daily life. Students, most of the reaction taking place in our body are in narrow pH range of 7 to 7.8. For example, human blood, tears, saliva have pH of nearly 7.4. So now we know what is the role of pH in humans and animals. If pH falls below 7 or rises above 7.8, the survival of living organisms becomes difficult. For example, the pH of rainwater is less than 7. When pH of rainwater falls below 5 or 6, it becomes more acidic, and we know that it is called acid rain. And when the acid rain flows into rivers, the river water becomes acidic and its pH falls. As a result, the survival of aquatic animals or aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. Likewise, in plants, it is observed that plants have a healthy growth only when the soil has a specific pH range, which should be neither alkaline nor highly acidic.